time we blow this scene. Get everybody in the stuff together. Okay, 3, 2, 1, let's jam.
What's up, guys? My name is Brendan, and today I want to talk you through 5 essential tricking exercises. You see, guys, tricking is an extremely physically demanding sport. So if you guys want to be a successful tricking athlete, you need to constantly be conditioning your body so that way you can be strong enough to perform the tricks you want. Today, I'll be giving you guys 5 exercises that I'm doing all the time to keep my body strong and fit. So with that said, let's get started. The first exercise that I want to talk to you guys about is the leg lift and the chamber hold. To perform the leg lift, you just stick one leg out in front, right above the ground, and then lift it as high as you can in a dynamic motion. You just do this over and over and over again until you feel the burn in your hip flexor. The chamber hold is pretty similar to the leg lift, except instead of training a dynamic motion, like the up and down, you're training a static motion. You're bringing that leg up in a chamber and you're holding it for as long as you can. Guys, these exercises are extremely important for performing good swings and solid kicks. You see, guys, when you do any swings, you start from your leg way in the back and then you pull using that hip flexor to drag it in front to generate your flipping momentum. Guys, if you can have a really strong leg lift, you'll have a far stronger swing. Plus, if you want good chamber and rechamber in all of your kicks, as well as a ability to train your balance, you should practice the chamber hold. Now guys, keep in mind that these 2 exercises can be done in 3 ways. You can do them in front of your body, you could do them to the side of your body, or you could do them behind you. And you could do that with the leg lift or the chamber hold. Being able to do them at all 3 angles lets me know that you'll be able to use your full range of motion whenever you're doing a swing or performing a kick. Guys, if you want to get stronger swings and more effective martial kicks, practice leg lifts and chamber holds. The second exercise that I want to talk to you guys about is the push-up. The push-up is a classic exercise and it's in almost every single discipline. But for trickers, it plays a very important role, and that is with all of your setups. You see, guys, if I'm going to do a master scoop, a cartwheel, or a touchdown rise, I'm going to be pushing using my arms to get my chest off the ground to generate momentum for whatever the trick I'm trying to set up for. Now guys, if you want to get a lot of power when you're doing that, you want to push off the ground hard. And one of the best ways to condition for that is to just do a bunch of push-ups. And guys, you don't have to do just normal, regular push-ups. You could do diamond push-ups, you could do wide arm push-ups, you could do archer push-ups by bringing one arm to the side, you could do handstand push-ups. Regardless of what push-up variation you do, all of them will do a ton of benefit, especially when it comes to your setups. The stronger your arms are, the more you'll be able to generate that flipping momentum by pushing as hard as you can. And guys, if you want to get that motion stronger, just do push-ups. The third exercise that I want to talk to you guys about is the squat and squat variations. You see, guys, tricking is a jumping sport. You're constantly using your legs to push you into the air. And guys, you can get stronger at this motion just by practicing squats. You could do a simple squat, just normal, standing facing forward, dropping down, and then standing back up. Or you could practice squat variations, doing that same squat but in a lunge, doing that same squat but then jumping afterwards, doing that same squat but moving it to one leg and doing a pistol squat. Guys, if you want to really practice functional movement, one of the best things you can do is to just do a bunch of pistol squats. Not only that, but it's a very healthy exercise for your knees. And guys, trickers injure their knees constantly. But you guys can really do a lot of work to prevent that just by keeping strong legs, practicing squats, and getting stronger. Plus, the stronger you get, the more height you'll be able to get on all of your tricks, like corks, Websters, or cart full. The stronger your legs are, the easier it will be to trick. And the best way to strengthen your legs to get that jumping height is to just do a bunch of squats. The fourth exercise that I want to talk to you guys about is the lemon squeezer. And this is an extremely important exercise for your core. It trains your abdominals and your lower back. To do a lemon squeezer, you just start in a hollow, extended position, and then you tuck your body in, squeezing the lemon. And you do this over and over and over again until you feel that burn in your abs. Now guys, keep in mind that there are also some lemon squeezer variations. You don't just have to do the normal tuck. You can also do lemon squeezers in a straddle position or in a piked position. Guys, the stronger your abs are, the faster you'll be able to flip, because most flips are started by a arched body to hollow body transition or a hollow body to arched body transition. And that is all moderated by your core. So guys, if you want to get a six-pack, flip a little bit faster, and just get stronger, practice lemon squeezers. The fifth and final exercise that I'll be showing you guys is the bridge. And the bridge is extremely important, not for building strength, but for building flexibility. Guys, having good back flexibility is extremely important in the sport of tricking. A lot of the times when people can't do a gumby or they're struggling with their gumby, usually it's just because they lack the back flexibility they need. And guys, one of the best ways you can develop that flexibility is through bridges. And guys, you can also take it a step further by practicing bridge twists, where you go up into a bridge and then you pivot on one foot to circle around your body. Or you could practice the bridge flip, where you go into the bridge and then you flip over to the side to end in a table position. If you can do the bridge flip and the bridge twist, you'll have more than enough flexibility to do the gumby or any other skills in tricking. Plus, shoulder flexibility is extremely important for skills like the touchdown rise. And one of the best ways you can build that is through bridges. So guys, if you want to practice your back flexibility and get your shoulders more mobile, practice your bridges. Guys, thank you so much for watching. That is it. That is 5 exercises that I think every tricker should be doing regardless of what their skill level is. And guys, if you want to support mastering tricking and get some personalized tips, please go check out my Patreon or visit howtomastertricking.com. Thank you guys so much and have a lovely day.